Welcome, in front of me I have Microsoft Surface Laptop Go, and today I will show you how we can switch on or switch off screen reader, and also how we can customize this option. So at the first we have to open the settings. Next we have to go for easy of access, and when we are here we have to simply click on the narrator, and to turn it on we have to tap on the switcher just like that.
Narrator dialog. Okay.
Narrator, yeah, there it is. If you want to turn it off,
narrator keyboard changes. We've updated the
wait,
narrator
I'm going
keyboard
to
layout so
change the volume. Okay, alright, now definitely better. So if you want to turn it off, you have to double tap to turn off narrator. Or if you want to go ahead, just click OK 2 times quickly. As you can hear, there we got also the quick preview of this option. But I'm going to double tap to exit the narrator. As you can see, it doesn't work every time. But if you want to turn it off, you have to simply double tap on the switcher. And that's how it's made. That's how we can make it. But also, if you want to customize this option, as you can see, we can allow the shortcut key to start narrator. So we can use the Windows key, Control and Enter. So let's try Windows key, then Control and Enter. And as you can see, turn it on. And if you want to turn it off, just click Volume key. I mean the Windows key, Control and the Enter, and it will be also turned off. So yeah, we can also start narrator after singing for me, so for our account. If you want to get it, just tap on the switcher, but of course I'm going to get rid of that. I don't need that option. You can also start narrator before singing for everyone. So before you log into your PC, the narrator will be already turned on. There we got also show narrator home when the narrator starts, and minimize narrator home to the system tray. And also we can change the narrator voice. So currently set up on the Microsoft David, but we can switch, for example, for Microsoft Pablo. And we can change the voice speed. And as you can see, there's also a lot of things, the other things, like we can change the voice pitch, the volume. We can lower the volume of the other apps when narrator is speaking. Here we can select when we are going to hear narrator voice. So I mean where. So there's the default device, we can speak to the external device. Would you get more? We can change what we hear when reading and interaction. So we can control all the details. We can only read it can only read, for example, the text. How to change the capitalized text is read. So we can announce, we can increase pitch or say cap. Here we can also activate narrator voice, emphasize formatted text. I mean, there's a lot of things that you can set up. So you have to just go here and, you know, set it up like you want. We can also activate, for example, the lock the narrator key, so I don't have to press it for each comment with caps lock or insert. So that's how it looks. If you find this tutorial useful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.